Hello everyone, my name is Balki. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a faith, fashion, and lifestyle YouTube blogger and vlogger, and you're welcome. So I will be unboxing my iPhone 14 Pro Max today. Okay, I am so proud of myself because I got this phone on Wednesday and I'm just not opening it. A couple of days later, yep, I am just now opening it, and it was on my dresser all this time. I was seeing it. I was like, you know what? I want to do this on camera. So we exercise self-control, right? Fruit of the spirit. All right. So how you like my new background? I got the inspiration from a YouTube video because I love these types of flowers, vines. I love them so much. It is so pretty, so feminine, and it's just beautiful. So I was like, okay, let's do a little vine backdrop wall or whatever. And it came out cute. I just wanted to get the vines, the green ones, but then the lady in the videos made the pink look so nice. It was popping. It was popping. So yeah. So let's get to the unboxing, okay? All right, this is a pre-birthday gift to myself because I deserve it. All right, I deserve it. So, yes. So it's purple, it comes in this box, and then there's this little tag at the back you have to peel off. Yeah. Okay, I took one off. Okay. So, I took the tags off. Here is the moment of truth. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. It is in deep purple. So pretty. So pretty. All right. So while I'm doing this, I might be making reference to my old iPhone. Yes. So let me get it real quick. So this is my old iPhone. Do you see this here? Because I dropped it. Yeah, we're not going to do that again. I dropped it at a store, and then this little thing started out small and then it started spreading. I was like, oh my goodness. So I've had this phone since 2018. Yeah, 5 years. I've had this phone for 5 years. It has served me. I call this my African phone because I have most of my African contacts in here. So yeah, this is my African phone. This is what took me to Sierra Leone. It made me blow because I was using this phone to, film my experience in Sierra Leone, in Freetown, Sierra Leone. So all thanks to this phone. Okay. Yes. So this is iPhone XS. Yeah. So it has two, is it cameras? Yeah, not cameras, but two of those little thingies right there. And this has three. See that? It has three. Yep. And then take it out. I'm going to handle this phone like an egg. An egg, okay? So the SIM is electronic SIM. So that means there's no SIM card holder or anything like that. So I'm just taking the little paper off. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So this is what it looks like, sleek and clean right now. And then, here, let me put this to the side. Yeah, so, WhatsApp is banned from this phone because now I have this phone I'm recording on. It's my Samsung. Yeah, Samsung S2. I forgot the Samsung, but the camera quality is also really nice. I was thinking what between Samsung or iPhone. Android doesn't really work that well in America, I guess. So Android is mostly for Europe and Africa. I am Apple products are basically for America. So I was like, you know what? Let's just get this iPhone, okay? So of course it came with the Apple sticker. That's the Apple sticker. I never use the Apple stickers. Well, the first time I had an Apple product, iPhone, I actually used the sticker, but I was childish back then. So, not iPhone, iPod Touch. iPod Touch. I used the sticker. So, yeah, and then it came with the cord, the charging cord, and that's it. It doesn't have a headphone, and that's really weird. You could never have enough headphones. Like, I need Apple products, all of them, to come with a headphone. But this one doesn't. So, yep. I do not know if it's charged, but let me see. Hopefully, it's charged a little bit. Hmm. You know what? I'm gonna find out how to turn it on. I'll be back. So I found out how to turn it on. It's this big button here, right there, and it's at least 50% charge. It came 50% charge. So yeah, it's saying hello in different languages. Bonjour, hello, um, hello. It's still saying hello. Hi, hello. That's in German. All right. Come on, come on, come on. I know I will have to set up a new iCloud and all because I actually oh I was supposed to scroll up, so it's giving you the language and all. So of course it's English, United States, select country, United States. So yeah, okay. It even has Sierra Leone on the list. Okay. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up now. I don't know want nothing for my current iPhone on this phone. We're starting afresh. Okay, so like WhatsApp is banned. Like I say, WhatsApp is banned. It is banned. You're not gonna stress me out on this phone. WhatsApp is banned. Okay. All right. Let's see. Dang, I have to put up my Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm gonna continue without Wi-Fi. So it gives you lots of options. Continue. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So yeah, so now it's setting up cellular and it's basically activating. Yeah. And then I opened it already. I bought a phone case off of Amazon. So this is it. It has to be pink or yellow. I didn't want yellows because I feel like yellow gets dirty really quick. Yeah. So it's a pretty color, but yeah, it's still activating. All right. So the cellular setup is complete. So now I'm going to set up my Face ID. All right. So I completed my Face ID and then it's telling me use Face ID with a mask. Wow. Now I have to set up Apple ID. And I don't know, my first Apple ID crashed. My second one, I forgot the password. I'm on a random one right now. Now I have to create another one. Okay. All right, so I got in. So it came with a bunch of apps. already. Yep. Let me see. Continue. All right. So, came with FaceTime, calendar, photos, camera, email, Apple TV podcast, App Store. What else? Tips, Freeform, GarageBand, iMovie. Yeah. Yep. And the only thing I'm interested in is the photography, okay? The picture quality is so pretty. God bless you. I hope this video is not too long. Probably 10 minutes or under 10 minutes. We'll see. All right. Have a great day. It's been a long day. I know I look tired. I sound tired. It's been a long day. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Have a great day. Bye. Bye for now.